Hi viewers, in this session we are going to be looking at how to generate a receipt from QuickBooks to EFRIS through the Kakasa platform in this series that we have been conducting. So for receipt generation 1, you will have to come to QuickBooks. Just as we did for invoice, you click on new, then you click on sales receipt. On sales receipt, you'll be able to specify the customer. If the customer has a TIN number, put it here. If not, leave. You can go ahead and specify different items. Now this time round, I'm going to specify different items, even those that don't exist, and we try and see maybe if we can get some error from URA. Okay, so I'm going to just skip this. I'm going to give the first one to be taxable. I'm going to give the second one exempt. I'm going to give the third one VAT. I'm going to give it 0 rated, no VAT. I'm going to make everything inclusive of tax, and I'm going to save. So after saving, this transaction will not go through probably. I'll come to book reports, receipts, all receipts. We have it here. I will come the calendar I choose today. Click on fetch, then I can click on sync selected. I will update this and specify the buyer type to consumer. After doing that, you can click on sync. You can do the process of syncing, or you can click on validate. Validate may always take long because it goes through all invoices. Okay, I'm going to preview this. I just confirm if our taxes are as we want. We have VAT exempt and deemed and no VAT. Cool. It's showing us product with product fail code dog not found, but we are very sure it's showing us not found. But when I come to EFRIS report and click on goods and services, this should be able to show me products at EFRIS. I want to check if dog is not there. Now I'm finding dog to be here, but when I try to preview, it is giving me this error. But I can confirm at EFRIS it is there. So what will I do to solve this? I'll click on sync products. Sync products. I'll click on sync products and give it a few minutes and wait. Once it's successful, I'll come back to my receipts, and try to preview once more. And on preview, the receipt shows. So we have standard, we have exempt, we have 0 rated. Let's say I edit this invoice in QuickBooks and add another item line probably. Let me keep it to demo, and then this one I'm going to give it deemed. The preview will work, but with the URL it will not be able to work. So I just want to show you that the taxes which are catered for on the Kakasa platform. So if we add deemed, and here it is. Now this one is a deemed tax. It is like this. So deemed tax means we charge the tax, but the customer doesn't pay it. So we also cater for deemed, cater for all these. Now this is a big receipt. Let's say you wanted a small one, maybe for businesses like gyms and small where you issue out small receipts. I'll just come to settings. If you have rights, this system, this super admin can set rights, roles and rights for someone. So I'll come to settings, I'll come to general settings, and I'm going to choose this to a smaller one. Then I click on save. So when I click on save and come to receipts under QuickBook reports. I want to try to preview this. The preview should change. Okay, so let me see for invoice and preview. Yes, let me see. EFRIS reports, invoices. Okay, I will check on the other previews for the previews, but here is the final receipt with the one which is fiscalized. If at all your business issues small receipts, you'll be able to have something like this. And the customer name, the customer TIN if available. This is the FDN verification code. This is the time of issue, the items, the tax, net amount, the total, the QR code. It is scannable. You can try to scan it. Then we can have this at the bottom. So for you who is there and you're looking for integration for QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks Point of Sale, Zoho Books, or you're not sure which accounting system you'd wish to use, hey, QuickBooks is available for you. We are here to simplify life for you. Very simplified. Just to give you a short hint for QuickBooks. Now, I'm just going to demo for you something small here. You have seen how to raise an invoice in QuickBooks, come to the connector, do that. So in QuickBooks, I want to make a cell. I'll come and click on cell. Okay. After clicking on cell, I'll click on create. I'll specify the customer. Let's say I want Wandera. First refresh this page. It has been too dormant. Page is taking long to refresh. I'm going to call this Wandera Emmanuel. The invoice currency, let's say I want it in UGX. I'm going to select the item I want. Let's say I want, okay, let me choose any of this. I'm going to edit this and say it is inclusive of tax. The tax is V standard 18%. And then it's ordered. I'm going to click on save. So upon saving, I'll just come and click on it here and click on fiscalize. So fiscalize should be able to pick the transaction and send it to URA unless otherwise there are some issues. Okay. Now that is the error from URA. Those errors, we are managing them. You can be able to tell why it has not gone. Let me change this item. I'm going to use Fanta. I'm going to use Fanta. It is also inclusive of tax. click on, I'm going to save this. And then after saving, I'm just going to fiscalize this. Successfully fiscalized. Now I want to download this. I'll come to print or download, and you should be able to see something. You should be able to see this, the details, the customer. Now this is the account, your buyer, your seller details. This is your seller logo. This is the FDN verification code and the QR code. So when I copy the FDN and come here, then I paste it and click on validate, you should be able to see your transaction at EFRIS. Okay, basically for us, we are here to simplify your life. Don't hesitate, whichever solution you have, we are always available to work on you with ease, simplicity. So reach out to us for any inquiries, reach out to us for consultations. We shall always be available. And for you who is there and you are trying to migrate from one system to the other, hey, we are the solution. We as well handle data migration from one system to the other, as long as the system has an API or SDKs that can allow us to access information from it. Basically, this has been a round this demonstration how to use QuickBooks Online integrated with EFRIS through the Kakasa platform. To sign up, just visit kakasa.efris.com. Come to the pricing page. On pricing, you'll see what we offer. For 3 users, we are charging you 700 per year. If you have more than 3 users, we are charging you 1,000 per year. This integration can work for so many branches. You may have, for QuickBooks Online, you can have 1 branch. You can have many branches with the same system and they are working concurrently, as long as you're on a plan which allows all the users you have. If you are taking our QuickBooks solution, I will support more than 30 branches. The system supports more than 30 business branches. Yeah, so for you who is there and you like to enroll on QuickBooks, just go on your machine, type in quickbooks.com. You'll be redirected to QuickBooks. So when you reach on QuickBooks, we have different pricing plans. You will decide on what you want. We have a free tier. We have a basic plan. The basic plan has online store expenses. You can check out what it has. The system has human resource management, payrolls. We have the standard plan where you pay $23 per month, billed annually. We have the professional plan where you pay $39 per month. You can check on all the features. It has stock transfer because we told you the system caters for multiple branches. So we have stock transfer from one branch to the other. Okay, you have user roles and permissions, maximum products 500, human resource, this one has payroll. Then we have what we call the business plan. It comes with a point of sale, online store, expense reports, sales returns, stock transfer, stock adjustment, multiple branches, You can manage user roles, more products. Then we have the bigger man called the enterprise plan. Now the enterprise plan, we are charging $68 per month, billed annually. For some of you who have tried to use Zoho Books Premier, like for some of you who have done integration or who may want to integrate Zoho Books, for you to be able to integrate Zoho Books, one, you need to upgrade your package to Premium. Premium, you're going to pay $69 per month for 1 year. Now you will come for integration, we shall charge you $1,000. So at the end of the year, you end up paying, you'll be spending around 7 million, that's roughly 2,000 in Zoho Books license and integration license. Now we have the enterprise plan for you for Quickbooks. In this enterprise plan, you'll be utilizing all these features. We also have a mobile app for it. Then this very package of enterprise will be having EFRIS integration on the same package of $68 per month. So meaning when you're using Quickbooks, you will be spending 1,000 USD for the full year in software licensing for the accounting system as well as for the accounting system as well as the EFRIS integration. Okay, just check it out with quickbooks.com. Get in touch with us. Okay, you can click on register, fill in your details, company name, email, phone number, blah blah, agree the terms, then click sign up. We shall give you 30 days free trial. The 30 days free trial, you can test whatever you want. Then when you feel the system can work for you, you can now sign up for a package. The only thing which is not available in the 30 days free trial is EFRIS integration. We don't offer a trial for it. We expect you to be coming when you know what you want. Thank you for watching. I remain Emmanuel Wandera from WIF Company, Uganda Limited.